Alright, so I'll make this clear. I'm not making this video for the views. I'm just making this video to show what I'm doing and what works for me. And so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I have a slightly little overgrown property to go to today. It's pretty big, so that's why I'm going to bring the gas can with me. I normally don't because I top the gas tank off and it lasts me throughout the day. But it's St. Augustine grass and it's tall, so that's why we got the deck raised all the way up today. And then I may go over it again next week and knock it down another level if he wants me to, because I'm not sure what level he wants it at. Then we got my weed eater blower, and that's about it. Battery weed eater blower, 18-volt Ryobi, gas Toro recycler, 22-inch. Then we got another gas Ryobi weed eater that has the edger attachment on it. That's the combi, and we're gonna use that to edge. I'm only gonna mow and weed eat. I'm gonna mow the front and back, and I'm only gonna weed eat the backyard, and my dad's gonna weed eat the front yard and edge the front, because I'm still learning how to edge, and so I don't want to edge on another person's property and mess it up and then be held accountable for it. So, and since it's so overgrown in the front, and there's kind of a lot of stuff in the front, I'm just gonna have him do it, and then next time you guys see the property, I'll be weeding it and hopefully doing everything. So let's go take a look and take a walk around it. Alrighty guys, so Mr. Chopping Blades over in Texas said that after each mow, you know, it'd be all caked up under there like it is. He said try spraying some WD-40 under there and they won't pile up down there. So we're gonna try to spray it on there like he said. Spray it, wipe it, and then spray it again, let it set. We're gonna try to do it on the chute and on the deck. Alright, so I sprayed it, wiped it, and then sprayed again on the deck and the chute. I just sharpened the blade and raised it up because I got a overgrown property to deal with tomorrow. So we'll see how it holds up during then. Alright guys. Well, here it is. Here's the yard. It's pretty bad. It's pretty overgrown. Going through, doing a quick walk around the yard. Make sure there's not any trash anywhere. I think that's about all the trash is pretty tall. Let's go this way and take a peep at the back. I didn't want to film the back because there's someone out there. But we're gonna go ahead and weed eat down these tall sections so that way I can mow over them with no problem. Alright guys, it's 9:20, started about 8:10. This is only the front yard done now, so I gotta get to the back. And this is just mowing. It's already 87 degrees, it's hot out here. Let's just start the back. Alright, so let's see how the WD-40 looks. I already knew that it helped on the chute because it only clogged once, and that's because I went through a patch too fast. Normally it clogs way too many times to count. Bird just flew by. There's still, you know, a little bit up here, and you know, up here. That's just all that is. It's just all up in there, but it's not as bad as it normally is. It's really not. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll update you guys after I do a couple more yards here in the next couple days. And yeah, so it does work. The WD-40 works. I don't know how you guys would do it on like zero turns and stuff, like zero turns and the giant walk behinds, but if you can get it up, I would recommend trying the WD-40, especially if it's wet tall grass. It'll save you. It'll really help you. Your deck won't rot out as fast, because normally after a work day I would put it up like this and I would spray out the bottom with a hose and get all the grass out. Now I'm not gonna do that. So I'm sure you all got WD-40 laying around somewhere. So yeah, thanks for watching.